Inking process. Now each class, right? Okay, I'm going to make sure that you are given, okay, at least 3 sheets of acrylic. Alright, now the 3 sheets of acrylic, okay, are for your inking process. I will describe to you what you need to do. Okay, now this is one, okay, this is like a cooking show. Okay, this is something that I did earlier. This is what you need to do for your repeated patterns. Alright, after you derive out the pattern. Okay, so all of this is properly carved, as you can see already. Okay, so now your 3 sheets of acrylic. 1 sheet will be for you to put all the ink. Okay, please be careful your tie. Okay, now you will have a roller. Now please be careful of the roller. This thing is $18. You spoil it. Each class will have one. You spoil it, that's it. Okay. The roller, okay, when it's not being used to ink, should be left like this, so that it doesn't roll all about the place. Because if you leave it like that, it'll just be rolling. Okay? So like this, you stand it up. And it's also good. It also means that you don't flatten the roller, because if you keep putting pressure on it like this, one edge will become flat. Then it's very difficult to roll. Alright, so the way to roll, you roll out this way, and then you roll out this way. Okay, you want to have a nice,
people I never see before,
even surface of ink. Okay, you will hear a sound. Can you hear that sound?
What sound? What sound?
Okay, so now once you have that, okay, this is your inking plate. Now inking plate, alright, you need to make sure one side is clean. Okay, so you ink this. Okay, not enough ink, come back, take more ink. Make sure it's even. Okay, if you see things where, you know, you can still see the lino underneath, ink it properly. Okay, but also don't over ink it. If the grooves start to fill with ink, it's been over inked. Then it comes out, the image comes out quite, no, it comes out quite blurred. Yeah, smudge, very blurred.
Still a little bit more.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay. So now this is your inking plate. So this is your registration plate. Now because we are going to try certain processes where you can even do multiple colors, so you need to know how the paper and the inking plate are related to one another. Now you'll see over here where I put the tape. Okay, there's 1 and there's 2. Alright, so I know immediately, okay, when I look at the back, I've written 1 and 2, right? Have I written 1 and 2?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So 1 and 2, yeah, should fit. Okay, so I know my inking plate has to go here. Alright, and then I will actually give y'all, okay, thousands. No, I will give you this thing called rice paper. Okay, so you have to know how you are registering the rice paper. So let's say, okay, can you just help me hold this edge first? Okay, okay. So what we'll do is we'll use the bottom edge to register. Okay, all right, and we will put it down. Okay. Okay, you can see that the ink is starting to take. Okay, now remember your inking plate. So one side is clean, right? So put it down. Okay, and the miracle. Now remember, it should be a totally cylindrical pencil. Okay, roll.
I don't take a roller. No.
Because it's already $18 for one roller. If I give you 2 rollers and you break it, I'll have no more rollers in this school.
this school so poor? You don't say. Every Wednesday, people come.
Okay, so it should take. Alright, so when you take it out, okay, the clean side goes down again. Yeah, and then you slowly, carefully, okay, pick it up. Okay, so that's how you do printmaking. Yeah, now why we are asking you to do printmaking, okay, is because, alright, it actually allows you to do multiples. Now, what do I mean by multiples? I'm going to ink another. Yes, good. Very good. You might want to remove the pencil box before it turns blue at the edge. Okay, you have to keep on doing it until you hear that sound. Okay, once you have that sound, it's working.
Again?
What if it's
Yes, what if it's what? Yes, you can. I will teach you the multiple colors next week, okay?
Yes. Let me take a. Thank you. Okay.
So now, registration was here, right? Okay. So now you want to register it. So much. Okay. Sorry, what? Okay, so now what you want to do, okay, everything's a little bit wet, so it might get a little bit smudgy. You want to register, okay? So, the first piece is always trial and error, okay? You try and join it up accordingly using the it. Okay? But it's never 100%, so you have to try the first one first. Oh, it's till 9:10, right? Okay, I think I did ink this one enough. Can you see that this one's a little bit lighter than this one?
The pressure.
Okay, so once I remove this, can you see how it joins up as a repeated pattern and it starts making the repeats?
She already tell you not 100%
It's not 100%, I already said it just now.